Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be reviewing this box right here. This is the Threadbeast box. This is literally like, this one was $130. I know that there's like 55 one, like a 70, I don't know. But I got the one that was like the most expensive. But little did I know, there was one that cost like 250, but I didn't know that. Apparently you have to email them or something like that. So I got this one. This one's $150. I had this coupon that said it gives you like $50 worth of more stuff or whatever. So we will see on whatever we get. Honestly, the packaging came damaged. It looks like someone yeeted it through my door and like just broke it. It's like you could sort of see what's in there, but at the same time you can't. And like, I mean, who cares about the box? Honestly, I care about what's inside. But you know, this is what it comes in. All right, let's open it. I'm really excited for this because I don't wear like a lot of fancy clothes or anything. Literally, I just wear shorts and a tank top. Pretty much this. This is me. All right. Let me try to open it. Okay, this isn't normal tape. Alright, so let me back away. So let's see what's in this box. Honestly, I'm doing a review because I've seen some on YouTube and they're like really, they're not really old, but they weren't like the $150 package that other people get. Oh, okay, it's upside down. Alright, so it comes with these two cards. It says free package giveaway rules and all that kind of good stuff. This says Threadbeast package number 1. Congratulations on becoming an exclusive Threadbeast member. And it pretty much just shows how to like log in and all that kind of stuff. So the first pair that I see is shoes. Huh. That's actually pretty cool that they send shoes. On the website it said that it doesn't send shoes really. So these are a pair of Vans. They actually look pretty nice. It's not a color that I would wear because I usually wear black or gray. But it's really cool. I like the way that they send shoes. Yeah, that's really nice. Second, honestly, I just saw this. This is, I have no idea. It says Clarity Diamond. So, let's open this up, see what it is. The package is really heavy, like the whole box itself. So, oh, okay. Well, that's damaged, but whatever, it's just there. So it's cologne. I've never seen this cologne before. Let me know if you've seen it. I don't know how you open it. Oh. It smells like polo slash I don't know what that green one is. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it smells very generic, very like any other cologne, guy cologne, like polo. Okay. This one is a pair of glasses. This says Nectar. Here, this one's a better Nectar. Honestly, this is my first time doing a YouTube video, so like I don't really know how to record and all that kind of stuff. So, oh wow, these actually look really nice. Let's see how they look. I don't wear glasses because my face is like literally a circle. So I'll give this to someone. So that's how they look. My mirror's like right there, so it's actually, honestly, I actually like it. But my face is still too round, so not gonna work for me. Alright, what's next? I see a shirt. see that. Yeah. So yeah, that's the shirt right there. Or whatever. This is very cute. I like how, honestly, this looks like my tank top that I have. What brand is this? This brand is from Quicksilver. That I saw. Nope. Yeah, Quicksilver. Pretty cool. It's just a regular t-shirt, you know, you could wear this with sweatpants or something. And speaking of which, it actually comes with sweatpants. Oh no, never mind. These are shorts. Yeah. Just regular pair of gray shorts. The brand on this is Diamond. And literally, this brand was Diamond as well. So I'm going to look up what Diamond brand is. Honestly, this feels like and looks like the Rue 21 and Forever 21 products. So, you know. Oh, and for the t-shirt, I asked for on the website to put large because I'm a large. And they pretty much put large right here. The pants, I was afraid it was going to be like H&M pants or something like that, so I put 36. I'm usually like a 34 or something. So this is an extra large. So, you know, no big deal on that. Here goes another shirt. Oh, this is actually really cute. I'll show you the back first because that's the first thing that you can see. That's really pretty. Really colorful, very bright. It's at the palm tree. The palm tree looks like it died and it's decaying, but it looks really pretty for me. And I like the front. It has a little dolphin thingy. Pretty much what it has in the back. It's pretty cool. This brand is Pink and Dolphin. Honestly, they are not brands I ever heard of. This is Kenneth Cole. It's just a black shirt. Black, whatever, long sleeve. Feels really nice. I like how it feels. Very nice quality. Yeah. And I guess the last thing that they sent me is a pair of pants. So once one is empty, literally it's just an empty box, just like tissue paper. I'll put that on the side. But last thing is Slim Fit pants by Jack and Jones. So let's see, I don't wear Slim Fit because I feel like the bottom, like right here, looks like a pair of like, they're just really long. I don't like them. So this is a size 36, 34. So this isn't so bad. That was actually really nice. Very nice clothing. Do I think it's worth the $150? No. Mainly because literally this, it looks and smells like Rue 21. The packaging is like really cheap. These glasses are really hard to open. So I feel like they're not, I mean, they look good. I'll give it that. It's really good for my round face. But I don't think that they're worth it. And then like it's really hard to close right here. The shoes, they're nice. I don't even know if they fit me. Let's see. No, they do not. Oh yeah, they fit me. Yeah, I mean, they look nice. It's whatever. Very clean. So the box, I think it said online that these clothes are like meant for you to mix and match what you have now and the clothes that you have. The shoes I would never wear because I have nothing to match with and I don't like them. Very nice size Vans though. This I will not use, but I will use it for decoration because it's really pretty, because it's just literally like a diamond. The glasses I'll keep. This shirt's really nice. I'll wear this for like a casual event, like for work. I really like the shirt. The shirt's really cool. I like this shirt too. Honestly, this stuff isn't bad, but literally you could like see through. Well, my camera won't show, but literally I could see through everything in here. Sweatpants. I mean, it's really nice material. It's not one of those like cheap ones where like they'll rip and everything like that. I would wear this. I would wear the shirt. I'll honestly wear all of it besides the shoes. So yeah, that is the review for the box, and I will be doing more reviews. I'm gonna see if there is like any like other companies that like sends boxes with clothes and stuff like that. I know that Gentlemen's Club sends stuff like that, so I'm gonna do a review on that probably. But yeah, this is a review. Thanks for watching.